Welcome back, guys. So we are still on our practical business card in Photoshop. So I'll click on this, then Control A to highlight, then the position Creative Director. And I will change the whole color to white. I think it's already changed. Then I'll click on this move tool. So we can take it right down here. Right. So I can press Control A and I will select Align Vertical Center. I think it has been aligned. I'll press Ctrl D to deselect. So now I need to go back to our duplicate shape. This is our duplicate shape here. Right. Then I'll go to Home tab here. I'll click on Edit. Then I will choose Free Transform. Then I will right click. I will rotate to 180° now. And I'll come here, I'll click on this to accept. Alright, so I need to locate the layer of this black shape now. And I'll go to Home tab, Edit, and Free Transform. Then I'll press down Control key and take this to the top like this. Very good. Then I click on this. Now I will take this to the top. So I have to look for the layer. Okay, that's a mistake. So I have to look for the layer. So we have to take it to the top of the second shape. So let me zoom the camera. So we are taking it to the top of the group 2. Set. Set. Okay, what I'm going to do is that I will select this, then I will make a new layer. Then I will now go back to card holder name. I will take it here first. I will take it to the top. Right. So I need to take the position also to the top. Now I can fall back to the layer, and I'll press the Delete key on my keyboard because I don't need it. Then so I will select the creative. I'll press Ctrl key down and select the name, card holder name. Then I'll go to my Home tab here, Edit. Then I will choose Free Transform. Now I can drag the tool to the top. Then I'll click on this to accept. Now I have to group these two together. I will right click. Then I'll click on, I'll look for group layer. Should be okay. Let me drag it into the group. Then we call this name and position. Then we press enter key on our keyboard. So this is a way to rename layer. Then I'll press Ctrl A to select everything. I'll go to my home tab here and make sure I align to the vertical center. Then I'll come back to the home tab, select, and I'll click on select. Alright, so I have to come back to my text tools again. I will select the card holder name. I'll press Ctrl A to highlight everything. Then I will change the color to all white. I'll click on this. Alright, so I'll go back to my text tools again. I need to change this to from bold to medium. Okay, it's already on medium. I will change it to light. And I'll select the creative director, Ctrl A. I will change it to light also. I have to locate this layer, Ctrl T again to open the transform tools, Ctrl minus to show me the entire canvas. Then I'll press Shift key and alternative key to drag. I think this will be a better alternative. And I'll press enter key on my keyboard. Next, I have to locate the background layer from the layer panel, and I'll go back to my text tools. And the company name will be at the top here. So before I type, I will change the color from this point. I'll select this black, and I'll click on OK. Now the company name, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. Then I'll press Ctrl A to highlight everything. So I will increase the font size to, let me see, 12. Right. So I will change the format from light to medium. Right. So I will select the bottom one, Shift key and my downward arrow key. I will change the color to red. Click on OK. Then the font's format, I will change it to light. Click on OK. Then I'll select my move tool. I'll press Ctrl A to select everything. Then I'll come to the home tab here and align to horizontal center. Then select and deselect. So you can just tap it down a little bit. Alright, so now I will fall back to the background layer of this black. Then I will make a new layer. So I'll come to the tools bar. I will right click on the tools bar. I'll select circle or ellipse. Then I'll make a circle. This can be here. And I'll make it duplicate in 3 times. So one will be for call icon, one will be for web icon, and one will be for location icon. So I press Ctrl T to select. take it up a little bit, right? So I'll click on this to accept. So now what I want you guys to do is that you input the call icon, web icon, text icon, and necessary information to make it complete a business card, and design the backboard of the card, and let me see how far you are able to understand the concept of a vertical business card in Adobe Photoshop. So thank you for watching this class from the beginning to the end. So hope to hear from you guys very soon. Thank you.